What's going on, everybody? So earlier this year we went to West Jordan, Utah for the PRCA rodeo. Been going back there for probably 10 plus years, and I love it. Being in the Survey Championship Rodeo has us out there every year, and I feel a little bit of May Hayward Pro Rodeo in there as well. But just wanted to show you guys a little bit behind the action, behind the scenes of professional music director at a PRCA rodeo. So man, enjoy the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Well, that was impressive. Now watch the stride layout. Here comes the drop, little jacket for him.
So when we're in the regular rodeo, there's a sign that says cattle limit in there on that side. I think that's where camera 2 is going to be. So check one be over here. All right, we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, how many of you are ready to do a little cheering for some of that kind of action tonight, huh? Let's get ready. Section 1 in the lineup of the bull riding Alameda County Fair brings bull riding our way. Raleigh Johnson is a Texas bull rider. As you watch him set, a title is out of the Lone Star State. As they get set, Carthage, Texas is a rodeo he won. There's an Idaho bull rider that is getting set. Jonathan's Pet. This is a bloodline reindeer fame bull clone. They are cloning them in the bull riding game. Isings, Culligan, Water Sumner's where we want to watch. When the gate cracks open, I expect a little cheering. Let's go to the Idaho man.
Well, there you have it. West Jordan PRCA rodeo and Hayward Pro rodeo. Little taste, little behind the scenes of what it goes into to be a professional music director at some of the coolest rodeos that are going all year long. Anyway, travel safe. Can't wait to see you at the next one, and keep on rodeoing.